Hello everyone and welcome back to Fun Mathology. Today's topic is how to draw an angle of 15 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree and 120 degree with your compass. So to do that we need a line segment. So I have already drawn a line segment. You can take whatever is given in the question, or to practice you can take a line segment of any length. So in my case I have drawn a line segment of 8 centimeter and named it as AB. So let's start and let's take A as the center and take an appropriate radius like this, right? And you draw an arc like this. Got it? So that it intersects AB at certain point. See, here it is intersecting. So taking the intersection point as the center and without changing the radius of the compass, cut the arc. See here. So we'll mark this point and let's join it. So we'll mark this point and this point and we'll join it. Got it? So this is your 60 degree. So without using the protractor, we have drawn a 60 degree angle. Let's see. So see, it is 60 degree. In the protractor, it is 60 degree. Now, so we have done one 60 degree, right? So let's see how to draw 30 degree and 15 degree. Now, in my earlier lecture, I have explained how to draw an angle bisector. Now, if you divide this angle 60 degree, you will get 30 degree. So let's divide this angle. So without changing the radius, with this as center, I'll draw an arc, and with this as center, we'll draw an intersection arc. Again, we will point this one and we'll join this one. Okay. So we will get this one as 30 degree because we have done an angle bisector of 60. So obviously 60 will be divided into 30. So you'll get 30. So we got 30. Now if you again bisect this angle, you will get 15. So we'll do it in a similar way. So already there is an arc, see, from the previous one. So we'll take this as center and we'll draw this arc, and with this as center, we'll draw an intersection arc. So this one will be the point of intersection. Now if we extend this and join this point, we'll get 15 degree. So this one will be 15 degree. So let's check it out with the protractor, right? So see, this is 30, right? 30, and this is between 10 and 20. You can see this is 15. Got it? So this way you can draw 15, 30 and 60. So with the compass, without the protractor. Now how to draw 120? Now see, I haven't changed the radius, right? So what you have done previously, we have drawn this arc and this as center. We have drawn this one and we have joined this point to get 60, right? So without changing the radius and with this as the center point, draw another arc cutting the first arc. Now mark this intersection point. Now if you join this one and this one, so this whole angle is 120 degree. So this whole angle is 120 degree. So this one is 120 degree. So let's measure this. So this is 60. So this is 120. See, this is 120. So this is how you can draw few angles without the help of the protractor but with the compass only. So in today's lecture we have seen how to draw an angle of 15 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree and 120 degree only with the help of compass, right? So in future classes, on future lectures, we'll be drawing different measure of angles with compass only. So thanks for watching. Bye bye for now. We'll soon meet.